Can you get yourself out of there now? How on earth did you get in there? Yeah. We left the nest boxes, the old nest boxes, which is just obviously kitty litter boxes, on the roosting bar just to get them up out of the way. Oh, you can! Look at you! I know, honey. That's not where you're gonna lay anymore because we made new ones. And they're confused. Here's the new ones. Yay! And nobody wants to lay there. So I'm gonna put an egg in there. Pretty one. And hopefully they'll get the idea. I just want to show you all the amazing nest boxes that my chickens have to choose from in order to lay their eggs. There's 6 there. There's also the bottom area that they could choose from. And then there's also this shelf here that they were using and they liked. But guess where they happen to be laying their eggs? Not in any of the nest boxes. Really?